When a piece of lead traveling at twice the speed of sound meets an immovable object, the physics are violent. The bullet flattens, mushrooms, and disintegrates into dust, while the plate itself remains unpierced. This specific material is designed for one purpose: to completely halt supersonic kinetic threats dead in their tracks. Standard structural steel cannot do this. Without the correct internal chemistry, the kinetic energy of a high-velocity round will simply tear, dent, or shatter the metal. This is why armored vehicles and high-security defense systems rely on a specialized category of steel to act as their primary protective layer. Manufacturing this barrier requires a sequence of precise elemental transformations. In this process, a single microscopic imbalance means the armor fails, and lives are lost. The process begins at the foundry level, using massive industrial furnaces that operate on a scale far beyond standard metalwork. This is the alloy recipe. Engineers start with a base iron matrix and add measured amounts of carbon, chromium, and nickel for strength and toughness. Even a microscopic deviation introduces structural weaknesses across the plate, rendering it useless. Once the elements are combined, the temperature is pushed above 1500 degrees Celsius to turn the mixture into a glowing liquid. As the metal boils, impurities are aggressively stripped away. This purification ensures the steel has the consistent atomic foundation required for the hardening stages. Only after enduring this inferno is the metal pure enough to be transformed into armor. The molten steel is cast into thick, heavy slabs as it begins to solidify. While still red-hot, these slabs are forced through massive rolling machines that exert thousands of tons of pressure. This crushing force increases the metal's density and realigns its internal grain structure, preparing the material to withstand high-velocity impacts. The plates are reheated one final time to prepare for a process of extreme thermal shock. This is quenching. The heated steel is plunged into a liquid bath, causing its temperature to drop almost instantly. This cross-section shows the results of that sudden temperature drop. The rapid cooling creates a rigid outer layer, designed to shatter a bullet upon impact. Because the interior cools slowly, it remains flexible, absorbing kinetic shock waves without the plate cracking. This combination of mechanical pressure and thermal shock is the only way to create a material that pairs high surface hardness with life-saving shock absorption. Theoretical strength means nothing in defense. The final stage of the process moves away from the factory floor for physical validation. To pass quality control, high-speed ballistic rounds are fired directly at the newly forged plates from point-blank range. In a single millisecond, the hardened shell and the tough core must work together to catch the projectile and disperse its energy. The criteria are absolute. Any plate that shows internal breaking, cracking, or total penetration is immediately rejected. Bulletproof steel is the result of industrial processes pushed to a necessary extreme. Every stage of its creation is designed to ensure that when it stands between human life and lethal force, it holds.